This video will show you how to select values in a field using sheet actions. This feature allows users to focus on relevant information and makes their analysis more efficient. First, click the Edit Sheet button and be sure that the advanced options are enabled. Next, in Sheet Properties, select Actions and click the Add Action button. In the Action drop-down menu, choose the action Select Values in a field. Then, include the field you want to use in your action. In this case, we select Category Name. In the Value field, add the values you want to include. In this case, we add babywear and sportwear. Separate the values to select with a semicolon. You can optionally overwrite logged selections. And here you have the result. Now, when you navigate in this sheet, the values you have included in the sheet action will be automatically applied as selection to the sheet. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.